Good morning everybody, Voltaire Gaming here, and in this video I'm going to show you my mountain base. Just go this. It's just 10% completed. As you can see, this is the entrance. Okay. This is the first room, the storage room. It's a little kind of small, but it's good. This is the stable. These two horses are available right now, but I'm gonna make it larger. This is your private room or your own room. There's a secret room right here, and you can close it by using this. Open it by using this, and then close it again by putting a glass of water. Then there's a secret room right here, but it's not done yet, so it's kind of a bummer. And down here is the automatic ocean brewing system I made. Just gotta get this out. Because I can't really find any source. Just put a water bottle right here. See, then it will go right here. It's bugging. Go right here, then get some leather wart, then maybe golden carrot, then this. After that, your potion items will go onto this hopper, then to this. Let's just wait and see. This is all the redstone. It's really easy. Just put some hoppers. Let's get this. Now it's longer. Maybe 8 minutes. Yep. With night vision. If you go right here, this is my new project right now to make a auto smelter system. Okay, thank you guys. For more awesome videos, please like and subscribe.